Hello, today I'm in Audi Q5. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster. In the beginning, take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Use buttons located on the top of the lever to change menu on the instrument cluster. You can check average speed, trip 1 info, average fuel consumption, range, travel info, average. Here is the average fuel consumption, there was current fuel consumption, and that's it. If you press reset button, you'll change menu to the second trip info. In the end, you can enter digital speedometer. You can also press 00 button to reset current trip info or set button to check the alerts on the instrument cluster. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.